pretty good braise. So it's all done by my friend. They braised it right here and right here. Also, they braised it right here behind this conduit. Now, Tommy, I need to crouch down a little more. So it's a GSX 160601FD, and the serial number is 1030232. Hold on, let me try again. 16030325154. Okay, guys. So here, as you guys see, it's from the 6th week. I don't know when it is, guys, but I know this unit is for today, and it's 14 to 16 here. So, guys, negative about Goodman and them is that, can I see this? Is that there's that crack right there, and if you can choose on our heating and air conditioning, if your disconnects fail inspection, they'll get you a new disconnect. Okay. So here's the York 5-ton micro channel condenser, which is not my favorite. It's the 14 to 25 seer, which you want to take this off, because once it rains, it gets this all messed up, and you want to take it off. So, guys, as you see, guys, it's 13 to 14 seer. I prefer installing the Hvac Galaxies. This is part of the original line set right here, guys, and as you see, it's ran a couple times already, but as you guys see, they can't strap the conduit right there, but looks like they have quite a good brace right there, and an airtight seal. It's R4 today. And the systems contain high pressure R4 today. So as you guys can read that, pressures exceed rated working pressures of R22 service equipment. Refer to product information inside this panel before installing or servicing this unit. So, guys, you'd want to take these 4 screws off right here, and model number is YCD60B21SA, and the model number is WA6273753. And here's the charging chart for the R4 today, guys. You'd hook up your gauge ports right here. It has the flimsy Goodman metal. Once it gets older, it's good. Yeah, also it's a straight cool unit, guys. And when it gets older, it will start doing this. What this will do, because it's not strapped down, and this is a flimsy metal Goodman uses. So, guys, I see that filter drive is leaking. And as you guys see, it's leaking right here. So we already have like a 2 or 3 week old, guys, micro channel Hvac condenser. And guys, as you saw, I'm walking away, so there's a huge wasp. What? Oh yeah, laters.